French for English beginners, basic vocabulary and phrases.
Bonjour.
Hello. Today, we will learn some basic French vocabulary and phrases to help you get started with learning the French language. Section 1, Everyday Phrases. Let's start with some common phrases you might use every day.
Bonjour.
Hello.
Comment allez-vous?
How are you?
Très bien.
Very well.
Bien.
Well.
Maintenant.
Now. Section 2, Expressions of Time. Next, let's learn how to express time in French.
À quelle heure?
At what time?
1 heure.
Can mean both 1 o'clock and 1 hour. Section 3, Location and Direction. Now, let's learn about location and direction.
Dans.
On or in.
La rue.
The street.
Près d'ici.
Near here.
Ici.
Here. Section 4, Family and Relationships. Understanding family relationships is important. Let's learn some family-related words.
Votre frère.
Your brother.
Votre femme.
Your wife.
Votre mère.
Your mother.
Vos parents.
Your parents. Section 5, Common Actions. Now, let's learn some common actions.
Faire.
To make or to do.
Encore.
Again or once more. Section 6, Specific Situations. Finally, let's cover specific situations.
En vacances.
On vacation.
Avec.
With.
Sont-ils en vacances?
Are they on vacation?
Sont-ils pressés?
Are they in a hurry?
Félicitations.
Congratulations. You've learned some basic French vocabulary and phrases. Practice them regularly to improve your language skills.
À bientôt.
See you soon.